my gosh! I have to go to Living Sports Center, but I live there. Well, oh man. Huh? Why is there nobody in here? Hello? Ah! You scared me! Good morning! Hello. The first time I saw you. Now we need one more player. Then we're ready to start. Good morning. Thank you. Okay, we're ready to start. Okay guys, today we'll be doing sports. Oh man, this is boring. Well, you just get along with it. Excuse me? Yes. Can I please go out? Out where? Out in the holes? Okay, but don't take too long, alright? You may go out for a walk, but don't take too long, alright? I'm not gonna take a walk. Wow, this is hilarious. What is this? Let me read what it says. Fire. Push in, pull down. Firelight alarms by Honeywell. I know what that is. That is the fire alarm. I'm gonna pull it down. And also people would be complaining, fire, fire, fire. Let's get out of here. Alright, well, I'm gonna pull down the fire alarm. What's taking him so long to come back here? What's Ginger's walk taking so long? Oh, wait, what's that sound? That's the fire alarm. We need to get outside. Oh, the fire! Let's go. There's a fire. Okay, I am back with some news. Was there a fire? Is everyone runs out of the building? No, there was not a fire. Someone thought it was a splendid idea to pull down the fire alarm and then made me come here for absolutely no reason. It made me come here all the way from Tennessee to Winter. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, we're going back in the building. Let's continue on with the sports. That was so funny! Oh, I have another idea. I'm not gonna take the walk this time. I'm gonna pull down the fire alarm again. Are you kidding me? The fire alarm is on again. You know what? Everyone stay here. We're not going to exit the building. We're going to keep doing our sports. Hey, you, stop right there. What did I do? You pulled down the fire alarm 2 times when there's no fire, and I watched you pull it. You watched me pull it? Yeah, I watched you pull it from right up here. What? Ah! One minute later, I'm going to Chuck E. Cheese. Hey, you, what? Before you go to Chuck E. Cheese, you need to give me that $500 fine. Wait, come on. The guy who got knocked over is the one who said that to me. Nope, before you go to Chuck E. Cheese, you need to pay that $500 fine, or else I'm telling your partner. Come on, I don't have that much money. So, Ginger, how has been your life? Horrible. That's right. You pulled down the fire alarm for absolutely no reason. You need to give me that $500 fine right now. But I don't have that much money. No buts, no ifs. You need to give me that money. Okay! Ah!